We've dropped in to see Justin from FineTec Precision in Bridport. Huge fans of Citizen. First of all, though, a very brief potted history of the company.
So we bought FineTec Precision 10 years ago, which consisted of one 12mm machine. Since then we bought two second-hand Citizens, and in the last 2 years we bought two new Citizens.
Okay. So you're actually up to 4 because you obviously sold one. But support from Citizen, because when you first started, obviously only had a second-hand machine essentially.
Yeah, so Citizen have been great with the support and the training. With the first machine, they really looked after us.
Yeah. So hence moving on to more Citizen.
Exactly that. So we decided to buy the Citizen L20 downstairs. We had opportunities doing a very large batch of components, and Citizen came in and gave us some cycle times for the parts, and yeah, we bit the bullet and we bought the machine.
Excellent. Now this is your latest acquisition, the L20 LFV.
Yeah.
I want to sort of go down the machine as such, because the bar feed, that's been fantastic for you as well.
Yeah, so we historically bar feeding small bar can be a bit of an issue. So we can bar feed anything down to 2.5mm bar on this machine, and so far it seems to be 100% reliable.
Okay, and then guide bush, non-guide bush is easy to change over?
Yep, so we've got the option of having guideless or guide bush, and yeah, for the bigger bar we run guide bushless. Okay. And it is a quick changeover.
Right. Okay, I want to take a step back, because when you took the company over, your experience was fixed heads. This is slide head, so a bit of a transition. Do you things like the Alcott Wizard, has that been useful to you?
Yeah, so the Wizard is very quick and easy to use. It quickly generates generate a program. It's a really good base to start from, working from, to get your program put together.
Okay. Now, another thing you mentioned, because prior to actually filming, the actual working envelope of the machine itself.
Yeah, so I'm a big fan of the L12. It's got a nice big door for you to get into, and it makes it quite easy to be setting tools, getting in and changing parts.
So just making your job a lot simpler.
Definitely, yeah, 100%, yeah. No
problem at all. Now you've got the mist extractor as well. Well, I'm going to mention, as I said, go down the machine, mist extractor. Is that a great benefit to you guys?
Yeah, so we're in quite a small working space here, as you can probably appreciate, and yeah, without the mist extractor, it would soon fill up with smoke. So it's been good.
Okay. Now what I want to do now is we had a quick overview of the company, quick overview of the machine.
Yeah.
What about some components? So if you could, I know we've got some prepared in the corner.
Yeah, so I'll start with this component here, which has got it's got an oval hole in the front of it with some other milled operations on it.
So that's quite difficult to see, but you say that it's actually got an oval hole in it.
Yeah, it's got an oval hole in that part, which you need to face mill.
Right, okay.
Face mill with that.
So when you say face mill, you haven't actually got a B-axis on this machine. You've got a separate tool.
So you can remove one of your cross-working tools quite simply by undoing 4 bolts, and you can put a stack of 4 face-driven tools into the machine, being able to use face milling.
All right, so nice and easy. Now, next component we got there. Now, this one, I'm going to raise a question, because this ties in with the LFV and the fact you've got the high-pressure coolant. I'd have thought you'd have had one or the other.
Yeah, so you are correct. For the LFV, you don't need the high-pressure coolant to be washing away your long ribbons of swarf, because obviously the LFV is chipping it up. But for when you're drilling small holes, this is a 20D 1.5 hole through this part, and you really need the high-pressure coolant to try and wash out the swarf chips from drilling the hole.
Right. Now, we've got components there, we've gone through a couple. I want to say we've also got some which we'll do separate cutaway, because they're tiny. What size are they?
So we've got some parts that are 1mm diameter. Yeah,
right.
It's about as small as we go.
Okay. And unfortunately, I dropped most of the batch from this morning, so we're going to have to try and pick those up later.
Yeah, good luck with that, yeah.
Thanks very much for that. But next, moving on swiftly then, the LFV, LFV's really come into its sort of own with this next component.
Yeah, so we've made these parts historically for now 4 years. We used to make them on one of our machines, our E20 downstairs, where we used to balance turn these parts.
Okay.
Swarf control was really, really difficult.
I understand when you got the orders every year, it was a bit of a
Yeah, we never look forward to doing this job. Somebody used to draw the short straw and have to manufacture these parts in here, normally myself. But yeah, it was an absolute breeze now on this machine.
So how's it helped?
We used to get, we have to change the inserts after 25 parts, which is 2 tools because it's being balance turned. On the LFV, on our 12mm machine now, we get 50 parts before we need to start looking at insert change, and it is 100% reliable.
Okay, so you're not having to balance turn anymore either, you're just doing it with one insert?
Literally just one pass. Okay. One pass, yeah.
Now, so obviously tool life and where it has improved massively. What about cycle time? Because some engineers say the LFV, not necessarily about reducing cycle time, just the sort of process secure in terms of you can keep it running for longer.
Yeah, that's very true. I mean, LFV can sometimes put a bit of time on the part, but you do gain that back by the unmanned hours you can run the parts for reliably. But this particular part, we've saved over 15 seconds by just putting it onto this machine.
Okay, that's fantastic. So, any other reasons why you like the Citizen so much?
Easy to use.
Yep.
And the support I've been getting over the years has been second to none.
Right, okay. That's it, nice and simple. So, tool life reduction, cycle time reduction, easy to use, the whole
package.
Yep.
The whole package has been good.
Excellent.
Yeah, the whole package has been good.
Justin, great endorsement of Citizen. Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.